sensor installation. Locate the thermostat. Use a drill and the wall anchors to mount the wall plate. Remove the screw covers. Pass the wires through the opening. Loosely secure the wall plate to the wall. Level the wall plate and tighten the mounting screws. Replace the screw covers. Use a small screwdriver to release the clip. Pass the wires through the sensor backing. Secure the wires and take note of the polarity. Slide the top together and snap the bottom closed. Push the extra wire back into the wall. Attach the top, then snap the bottom to the backplate. Remove by pulling the bottom away from the wall. Installation without a wall plate. Select the mounting location on the wall. Use the sensor back to mark the location of the screws. Install wall anchors and loosely install the mounting screws. Pass the wire through the back. Secure the wires, taking note of the polarity. Slide the sensor over the mounting screws. Level the back plate and tighten the screws. Insert the top, then the bottom.